So let's have a look at what the integration and deeper digitalization means for the software in IT and OT. Robert, as an assembly partner, what software do you provide for your customers?
Well, Amanda, I think software is really at the heart of digitalization. At Atlas Copco, we have a long history as an industrial equipment provider, but today, most of the things that we do have a very strong software component to it. In the area that I work in, we provide software for our tightening controllers, which then drive our tools and ensure they provide the right parameters for a tightening application and then ships the data back out. But we also have a pure software portfolio where we have applications for analytics and insights, for managing the device configurations, for error proofing, and for quality assurance.
Okay, so that's quite a lot of software, but what are the demands on software in a smart factory?
Well, we've been sending data from our devices for the last 25 years or so. But I would say the key difference now, or the key shift now, is that data is now used in much more of a real-time way, with real-time insights from the data and using it to affect changes on the production line also in real time. So more communication between devices, or also higher up centrally with central applications in the network.
And what does this increased demand on communication between software look like more in detail?
It used to be that more of a pyramid model, so our device is then sitting at the bottom of that pyramid, sending the data to one overlying device. And in the smart factory, it's generally more of a network model where devices can speak to other devices, but can also speak to software systems that are sitting quite high up in the infrastructure or even on different sites and so on. It's much more of a connected network than it is a pyramid. For us, of course, that means other demands on how we send that data. Things like the protocols that carry the data needs to be more secure than before.
And do you have any other overall tips when it comes to securing a smart factory?
On the technical side, of course, securing the outline shell, so to speak. So things like network segmentation and things like this, of course, is very important to make sure nobody can get in. But overall, it's about collaboration, really. So make sure to discuss and take help from your partner network, from your vendors, and make sure to involve both IT and OT, because I think the perspectives are a bit different there, and the language we speak is also quite different. So it's important to collaborate tightly and decide on these solutions together. I mean, that's how we get the best sustainable solutions.
Okay, well, on this collaborative note, I feel comfortable ending this episode of Momentum Talks. Thank you so much, Robert, and thank you so much, Claes, for joining us today and sharing your insights on cybersecurity and smart factories.
Thank you, Amanda.
Thank you very much.